Hello guys, this is Ron Tips. Today I show you how to make a guac chart in Google Sheets. Okay, and subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me, and show you how to do it. Okay, first open Google Sheets and create new project, or open your project and open project. Category and amount, click on car and press shift your keyboard and click on this and select all category and select all amount. Okay, and left corner click on insert and click on chart. Open new window, chart editor, and search chart type setup and click on this, scroll down and search other and drag and guac chart and click on this. Okay, your create guac chart, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.